to live for your brother too. That's the only way we can change the destiny of this country.
Ebusia for Emobia ha anaso Mobia Onayabo. Nti ade asane sa eba SOMPA 93.1 FM Kumase SOMPA 98.9 Sunyane na SOMPA TV eso. Tera One Media and I will share oko Facebook bit me share live or SOMPA and as a Strong Voice Network Facebook bit me share live or YouTube so oko SOMPA TV bit me share live or Facebook. Na dem won say me share Ghana jersey because Endra Black Star players no e ma manage but akade ba ko bia me pese omo ye e ma me if we say team no e bi beto bi eni bi so beto bi enti no se duru ona wo de for say oye ajeman won kwa na ni mbobo
SOMPA 93.1
afi no bi abanti no nya bo a won pass no wo be koma pass abema so me kan ba Inyaki players be one more person be ma Inyaki pass on be ma Inyaki William pass na baby a ugina no enye anase pass a wontimi mfa no na on the man because on pesa Ghana for two money see abrantia na so we dan ya Inyaki Inyaki me catch a tie for ni ahwefo nya say jesi na ehye no ndra we ya na Inyaki de bobo no ndra na ehye me nti no won se me hwa efe pa yi ya ma obi akwaba eba kensa waso mosonfo hine kufisafo na me tie jo
SOMPA 93.1
edu ifiada na na bobia na ote I live for you so message in the metia touch me papa I live for you because we are say we padas ni bia na obetime de necessity waka say otinkwam ema ninia but honorable Kennedy or say otinkwam ema Ghana for especially Ghana membuno no enti ye wa ha honorable Ken ho sempa and aba say ye ba abesom Ghana for nyina because fi ha no nye na say station nye asanteme mu kwa na wo across Ghana bia we share live or Facebook we hear SOMPA TV so BT or SOMPA FM Sunyane ne Kumasi ha nyina na other affiliate nyina no BT free ho ye ba say ya enwuma pa honorable Ken Eddie and as why am man no de woni mu so betimi aye na ye bedi ho adanse a kire man no ye we say Apostle Kofi Agyakom ebe kan sa na na shase na Olaya William Kusi na Mr. Kofi Apia no former BNI eni na oko UK na waba na say oko no onam UK onam Germany and some Ghana for no mo ho no e kan ne say MPP delegate ehu honorable Ken Mobo na omoto abanoma no be Frankatunia omunyina beba bra ticket aba beto aba edema MPP so man to am honorable Ken dia nene o man sa
is 93.1 FM
enti answer na me guest beba no Shaibu wa ha Ike wa ha na Franco enso wa ha beje be 2 minutes bi na answer na no ya woni bi a o se tinkrofo bi we na de mo motufo bo se oti ahwedan mu a yento abo se oti ahwedan mu a yento abo enti we de ye call straight to vice president ne office and the campaign managers no emranti mi nu bi wo ho a osom call you to order and na de yemo mudin but de ebeka no omo munim no ebehu na yehwe na de ebekọ ene ebekọ a sofo bi a otu na sori mafo se adwama monye omuntie nti na ose ne se beka na montie a yenyina de ehu bagim lawyer bi wo Ghana ha ofato no se oye social commentator yenya nim se oye adwuma soma honorable Ken honorable vice president his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lawyer na no de pa na chairman ntumi true chairman ntumi so na odibehu vice president nti ho yedma ma vice president anaso campaign amana honorable Ken team ye ne woni asem president ye ne asem nemum se oba betna abonten abedidi honorable Ken atem binyan kasetia yempene Honorable Kraken Kasa Yenya Krana Yenti. O Uyiri Onam La Sulela. Now we now this Kusi Uire. Braben Wabo. I'll be the Honorable Ken at them. So I respect Vice President. So a Vice President or so respect Honorable Ken as MP. MPP near Dahono. I didn't know Honorable. Almost party now count. Almost struggle at the party in Bapa now way.
93.1.
And he said, oh, Bibi, Honorable Ken Becca say, boa party no, now can, oh, discover share with them. And now the Bibi party near Bibia, you could see a dinner, ombe boa mania. And some son are there cocoa, you must know what me winnie. And now they will law no practice or radio need TV so. Lawyer Amodate, Ralph, a Japan, mon lawyers no. Courtroom no mako di cases. Anas ni Honorable Ken case nearby no. Lawyer Ralph in the DHD. Oh, Tama Anas crowd case nearby. Now TV Africa. So an Honorable Ken be for. Na skana Anas be jene dia o peka o mo pedan o. Sade me hwe live. Wafa afofra. Chene ne maso de mfa o. Oyere wuye. Okoyela la sulela. Ena odi ksie oyere. Oso abobra. Obi otimi yiska $6 million. Ede si cardiothoracic center amo mine on the
This is 93.1 FM.
Obi agana for car Lebanon. Ono atun botum yiska kofa Ghana for ebae. O se onye bibia ma mine. Obi a Haiti. Ekwa ho kirem. Oyi $1 million. Ede ma Haiti o mine. O se onye ehwe. Na wo yiri wuye. Okoyela la sule lanza otimi die se oyire. Over hon lawyer at TV so any radio so di Honorable Ken at them. We are warning. Lawyer Udin started with M. Udin started with M. The Vice President, the campaign handlers no. I'm calling into order. Abraham TV so asante memo ha. We more DVL.
93.1.
MPP bar power in 2016. Eba pemone. Utimi to abro sign. DVL is kabe ahini etua wo ho na wato dan because of Vice President office. Bisa constituency chairman, polling station chairman, any coordinators. Say party ni buy no. Emu wine wetimi ato dan and wetimi aye onya property and amu de ni camp binti ana. DVL us kase na oje wo ho. Out wo e dan minu o kumase ha. Who used to land cruisers? DVLA. Onya director. And onya regional director po. Enti se ma fra. Mompe baby amode befa. Medical catch him say what I hwe dem a men to abo. Ye ni abre. We ye bibi kitwa bi a di twam ama omo Vice President ko nkwara na Oma shase eto ayampia de Honorable Ken etna ho e kan anim se dia Honorable Ken enya bibia ma party ni da Honorable Ken enya bibia ma oman ni da no we one lawyer no Udin started with M me say we yiri wuye le la sulela e na ode ye edisi e yiri o poso abobra
SOMPA 93.1.
Shaibu
Safo.
yani abre
Safo ma yema abusiafo nyina adwo na yanchia polling station executives. Omena the Honorable Ken to Japan eba. Ntino moye Honorable Ken godfather. Na Safo se do kan ye no. E se ye ko enoma kroma ye nyi prebu okwan mu. Na ye ko to vice president campaign managers and say the Safo kan ye no ometi na supermu. Ye say the vice president on say evil intent we ni. But we hope so kwaje pa no. No do trash ye ne ka so won nim do. Tino me sa the vice president wouldn't allow us signing we because but say kind no say office Honorable Ken a member of parliament one for need dia mana even now my say kwan say nko kasa mai bia de ento o mampenia be de che ba ye nye sada ti esrom and the bottom line say office bia obo o mampenia be de che ba wo no party ba ben bia 2 years ni 4 years 6 years ajapade a onya no within ya ba ben mu no ye yi no TV so na ka the polling station ni hwa e bia nipa na akọ pre-vote dia ma nipa kọ beto abakọ de etia because polling station ni na ote form no wonya asade no And also for one of the polling stations executive friend me can say me chrem was about radio so I mean busa your listeners new viewers say MPs and omo ba mantem ha omo kire polling station executive say omo nto omo ba enko ha sei no obusa sa MPs enye sa MPs na no achi no omo complain say e come de omo no
system na amwa omo
nti eno ane ne aduane be omo nya di anti omo san adan omo say ye nto abanko omo san me musa MPs ne say enye sa MPs we na development enko so asante mantem a omo say system na yi o ma tokene no and the system yi o tokene no no enne system no ayedai enne okona san nam say ye nto ya ba enko asi enti no ye nyina enne safo me no fa so full interchange no so in fact na mani ewu as a journalist a matna akunya so a criticize the NDC John Dramani Mahama amamu so buy no wantimi antoa so full interchange no so MPP abai ban mu almost ye twa second term so full interchange those ye bi ba ye nwi ye tima assign asante mantem a akọ start interchange watamale esi awi e makas ene nam so
and crying so sir
these MPs amo asante mantem no Montimi amwa ma development ba Asante region. Mo sabe yi candidate e de ama Asante region na. You can't do that. Mo mekire de mo kan ye a ban ne se wontie. So mo nyina mo MPs na mo Asante mantem. Are you telling us say enti mo nyina mo kan ho bi and ye deprive Asante region with development na. Omo soro mo se akwan ya na Asante mantem o. Ye ne Ghana fa na nyina. Do Asante mantem ye nya do kwampo ye vote do so. But the monumental projects every say NDC for the KJT episode do say music KJT phase 2 but say bia you can interchange o man penikofo ana man the Asante mantem you interchange o man penikofo na start so for like or yeah asokwa ana o yeah Anoga Johnson de no so ewie ye ana asafo de no o man penikofo na ye enti a monumental project say no mo MPs ma moa mo ko pre mo chefa enti ma pre mo chefa na wi a mo be much more massive wealth to myself some ministers enti enne yensa empene e ma mo san be elective flag bearer emfama party a if you say na funuma wasante mantem a ne ba ban mu na yenya de na polling station assemble akopɛ na me ka che ma na nwumre say eye operation 3 vote in each polling station for honorable KENNEY Japan reason enie yekumu osono 2000 and ye chair regional executive, constituent executive, national executive, polling station for Yamomubi. Honorable KENNEY Japan say, or soon for a year Babekunu 2024, no, polling station for the medical de etubi. And the polling station for Obia what general, a honorable KENNEY Japan. And you'll be about on the officer, may Baba here ministers, may Baba here MPs. Polling station for Mojuma mo yamuna mo talta process. Mona monim the number of people mo to about in each polling station. Mona mo convince MP before, mo convince ND before we to about edema the new patriotic party. Ye to about na ya mo votes say. Ye we are mo contribution ma contribute there na munya. Ube share polling station in na ayen to. Sabi what power in opposition. And now MP who did this such o san be che polling station ni na KENNEY Japan so ba obe che oso na no man de to bi ni say ono nkoto abanti KENNEY Japan ye nya ne sa and o san so na ma o te asemi say na polling station ni we so ankoto aba ama na bia nipa sumasi a next 4 years no ye ma me agent another man we delegate asamba akwa me kan che say nipa wo se minyini amekun ne ma ne nyini minyini amekun ye ma ne nyini me so kan book where the gods are not to blame or the wali ne shebro de ba say obekum papa na waro maame ye ko di ho agro no e de ma branch we fe no bonka te ko ma bombofo bi akra de benyini bekum o papa waro maame ampa te sa nipa we ye mani nyini enti obi ka che say ana se ma anto aba ma nipa we a da achi ye ba be you afiri me ka say ma sho nipa no so ko to aba ma no ye nto aba ma nya 100% da enti zo nya bi a 60% a 40% no wo no be kan waka 40% enti obe you afiri ho. And to a polling station executive, assemble akope and American chiro. One na my dear na Ghana foka. Ghana force a penny po canocre. They say honorable KENNEY Japan. Ghana force a penny pa or experience with my being you might say honorable KENNEY Japan. Na me busa MPs and say, Moma didi sochi. I am who polling station for na or money more mono. The moko munchaya, I am on ferry. 4 years in polling station police slot wanye bi amane ba immigration wanye bi police wanye bi military wanye bi o MPs o dia onya o ye ne de na wona ba che polling station bi on to na banko they say polling station for say honorable Kennedy Agyapong so on the oba hwe mo polling station for na no na cartel bi asori etia honorable say mo na ahia mo ache no wo ba amamo and the some koso ama asikafo na mo party mu omo di no mampeni ko for time and di na na o mesa beto so adidia na amamo ba ko de ba sabi amamo bi honest you anasa amamo bi branch but we de ye ba be kanin na afra na yache na polling station for the to be and that is honorable Kennedy Agyapong was saying
shall we that's Franco my 2 minutes be na yanko
my tia will start and you see how I started you see it calls for worry area ebi obi nim the history about the New Patriotic Party since 1991 basically consistently open nipa ba kwa why consistent with the New Patriotic Party o making sure so this career party no making sure say communication with Jina so is honorable Kennedy Agyapong the former deputy general secretary of the New Patriotic Party Kasembi na obi bwan and I want to quote him or say ono no ya campaign ma ba omia bo bia ni made Kennedy Agyapong ya ma the 275 constituencies was it proud to 2020 elections can my constituency be 10,000 Ghana cedis multiply 10,000 by 275 a 2.75 million Ghana cedis. Ask yourself, say how many Ghanaians, how many people more people with markers or corner coffers more kwa kuyi says cano so have a boy party no unya sango phone bi since 1992 ba honorable $3 million make in 2010 every for some kwa congress no so by the thought by thought or by the regional basis can see there we sir it brings apathy in the party and my party is strong on one kasa to the bottom come koye congress no tamale. This is the kind of person that we are talking about where many power can say mahuni power can say and I say am yasa one person body panidi
we
oh no beso was no objective and sincere me the kind of comments I'm making
yes
mesre you see Bamia is a fine gentleman me there be makasa this kind of elections or more internal elections we know one way you want small bekano it to go outside your jurisdiction you give the NDC an opposition and measures to fight against it and so shara na kada hun sem bebre wa bonten na kwakoton na that product yen mean ton sa product no who change any bia ya wo obetimi make comment bi say bu ni abo trepa bi comment ani pa yi make and you see my problem is sans more can enti ba yes ni pa na o ye leader on TV ana on TV where yet chroma and I'm a kai say Delta Force for your problem the acting national chairman of the New Patriotic Party at that time Papa CPP ni oba MPP na anwa day o be ready Ferry Blay was say and some Kennedy Agyapong moka said they know them no it doesn't represent the position of the party these are people MPP opposition or security forces for the New Patriotic Party and investable forces and Delta forces and now some boy baby let's look at the contribution by Honorable Kennedy Agyapong where ya gi nko bibi so bisa wo so be radio station e boy saying wo be radio station. Now let's look at Ken City Media or Man FM or Ash FM in terms of quantifying airtime into liquidity. The case MPP phone it will be a problem for them when they were in opposition since 2008. Basically, open station but come consistently consistent trying to fight for the New Patriotic Party. It happens with Man FM and Ash FM and then two more. Ask yourself, say case and community says can from one of Kennedy Agyapong with Matia. I want to be here. And so,
party ni ba power no advert for mbo stations
money be
even DVLA lottery station be no mbo
so we be ko ba bi o make just say am go for dey o me neutral but they also forgotten say na assemble MPP station o ho na wo run dey akọ wo kwa ka wansem hwe saf ma me cast me number for ne mrem nipa ba kwa na Ghana ye hunu ho pass o ye sofo o ye saint John Evans Atamas how they posted him edu we bi Mills de nyame nipa Mills in 2008 Shaibu Okovota region was say si eto abama no be the president of the Republic of Ghana obe make sure say national cake no bia be dibi. This is Mills for you. Mills become the president 7 January 2009 somewhere June or issue official communique and Mama Yarga was official spokesperson at the JE Mills was say give preferential treatment to NDC people tiasem you was say NDC ni ba wonchen na Ghana ni ba wonchen a di kan hwe NDC ni wie aso abahwe any ordinary Ghanaian erebentia omogitum say party ni omo dia MPP for democracy ni doso anawnim enne obi eko kanatifa Me so nya tape ni bi atia. I damn. Can I tell say? Na na dan kwa Akufo Addo aka kire ne say. NIA project no mo ye no. Mo fa party executives wanka police station fo. Or say party executives. And meaning say ne obi a constituency chairman na na so person ja legacy. And mo nkofo obi asama. Akufo Addo so sorry ye nyo no na de no be the president o. He went through the ranks and files of the New Patriotic Party, a party that didn't buy. Best in there, me won't say before issue official communicate to even disband that kind of story. A more serious. Say Nanado say MPP are buying or making sure say man for party executive be a mum. And we a police station be a more mobo. National executive for more he, regional executive here more he. But your nabo Kenna, one person has always been consistent about matters. Where now what that could change is more kafa mining home. A way back close to 20 years ago. Still consistent about the matter. We need leaders who are courageous. Leaders who are entrepreneurs. Where who come you make me frate ubu. Udra mante wo hwa start wo ho ene no ma wo ye tell us there is a man wo ye adwuma. Was set up an institution a man for ye ho adwuma. Was create employment for people. Who call man FM na FM wo create. Say says Ashanti still you or ye. O hwe coast or ye or ye. O de ye me see I want say candidates are be priest akonya yi nyinaa. Ebi a ben ebi economists ye to aba unity ko position ebi akwa kotena Zambia ni Tanzania akwa manage banks bisa ho say ebi aba be di positions aketa ba be cabinet members they sit and dine with the president obi kura nka dwuma ba akwa bi nokuru ma fa nkere safo obi de nka dwuma ba akwa wa hye ka say dwuma we die ma bie e de magana fo but Ken, as we talk today over 7,000 Ghanaians were employed mo mem na me interview no say oba kuma say Ena nadam bi catch so monko konfa noche na amanfo yare wo ho me I want to tell you something safo bi obi nya hu obi onya cancer da cancer on e che what the kind of pains that you go through am that say pharmacist wa ya uni atete a ukom no there is so mo kodura machine ye adwuma for 72 hours and you say san gina home for 72 hours e di amfa say ne ye de waba na se animi anhwewa je say wo da ho to the following week unya dan so na mo e bi di da bonten Kennedy Japan have to go into his coffers and pick money. Yet the criminal has Ghana for Biako Lebanon. Kennedy Coco for his cademo. It tells you that this one, hey, there be a because will be always go. But he's careful bottom and any is the I am the Papa. I am willing to. And I'm the Chenipa. Obi was Capa Safo. Obi was can we use Capra, Maninas one in Tons Sonoma. Any ya. But let's look at Ken. Can't me round what this cause midway you say, what me $147,000 was me kwa for Ghana for about $450,000 or you say this kind of young show this one person what me making sure what me the $5 million inject into the New Patriotic Party and it's for per candidates a go you know be a born home day but if you look at Kenya on only the any theoretical are you or a practical person obi o tell you obi o po jina pa de are you for good dem na so chiro ma dia or your expert obi ma bisa question 111 as what the man is a 1 year jumana, then the man. If you go to US of A, let's look at successful president Obama.
They okay. I say obi to me bisa question, but obi some question.
Oh, that me county. Obi how it's theoretical you good. Hey, you school. Me I major in accounting. Obi how I me no cause why accountant. But I say be cry 1 year profit and loss accounts more better than the problem. And no, but if you look at Kenya, not theory aspect, but practical. What be a or yeah, Numa, and there's one person I don't have a power who say even the boldest and courageous aspect even criticize his own party. Yeah, kind of crime fan chile. You high NPP for catchers as your choir me fa. I'm say mama born a choir me fa na me boa.
Sir.
Oh, I'm say your mama do nimhi. And do choir me fa not just one more money. But NPP is preparing to go to IMF. Kennedy your opportunity in US of A. And I'm so on kasa for IMF. And listen to the comment from the man. What you okay? Was somebody ba mo catch him sama me kasa mfa ho. But make us because we are failed Ghanaians.
Okay, first one called Kofodia.
It tells about the courageous aspect of the person that we are talking about. And you'll be and now some crab now baby I shall one person is a communicator, one person is a philanthropist for the party, he's a financier for the party. In 2016, since the Fourth Republic, NPP parliamentary candidate whom we were maintained that. May say I was there. Can be do as late as 2 a.m. No be do here na man for jina ho twen no and he made a promise. I say sa konya we major the New Patriotic Party and in 2016 in the history of the New Patriotic Party table amantomo we sa konya no. So it tells you about the person that we are talking about. Nipa intimidating no ya wo kroma yi nipa ba kwa na Ghana obi aso no was anasare me ya wanas sa fa ka cham sa me boa one person who even goes to the president, Onyin President to the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. President to what now Anas a Konine Kwako Dim Komoshe mask. To even identify Anas was a problem. Every baby, now man forced through Anas. Number 12 for the buy, So if you listen to Honorable Kennedy Japan consistently, or some Anas, no matter what or a extortionist, no matter what or a blackmailer. And if you look at the kind of adjectives what they qualify now man for a court of competent jurisdiction, don't can you see also? Almost say Anas a terrorist. Tell some yo. Also a terrorist, also a blackmailer or a extortionist. Almost label him to be an evil person. And ya can a man for good them, a man for lawyers say soon judges say so more my bre. This is this person that we are talking about. And it's for me can he doesn't need any introduction in the New Patriotic Party. Your best remo musi no. But be not do no. Think about your interest. Or be or no about the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. Bet me boy. The most crucial elections for the New Patriotic Party is the 2024 elections. And as for me, the most crucial. The reason being that after an MPP for our presenting candidate in making sure that we are the end for the John Mama.
Yeah.
We are the end. Now in 2016 elections, NPP winning close to 1 million.
Yeah.
In 2020, only MPP lose as many as 500,000 votes.
Yeah.
Meaning, say the nation returns are the New Patriotic Party. Going to 2024 elections, we hear product awo ton awo mre. Okay. Obi awo ton na unya problem. And it's for mesre. E do na se yakwa akoto aba. A compare kwa Japan de oni ene onye introduction. Asofo fo di nachi, obi adi nachi. And the antu aba maken na bi pimfa ntu mapam famfira.
Me shas me to so afri baby a odi ni see no. Say the Ghana fo nyina ebetimi agina tum na Ghana fo nyina be agina tum say nipa somasi e na yehia so me president. Mr. Kofi Apia wa ha YBNI can say edumada watutu kwan ko UK Europe die me kan metimi aka say wachini babia o wa ha eno nti eno wa ha say Ghana for a omo amanone diasporans no de omo so kan metapia be o microphone ma
mejo so
oye Kofi on
Kofi
ejaku say so oye owofo na oba na oba bema eba fi maame anase papa menya me ho kan ni odne ba fi a me mi say adwuma ni pa ne bisa da de wo no so ka se Kofi a ende o ho a
that's right
so o anka Kofi no kan different day dia ansa ba adwuma o ye ni suban o se oba odne ba kra no nante ko na chikra na so far say wo no if you dan kwa de embuputi ginetum enti Kofi for the board
sa papepe
enti bi on nekasa
yo minua Kofi media today ni kabia be ma se wo mami sa akwenjen se memra ha many atiefo so ntwetwe nkomo kakra meda wase na medical so achia mia mikurumhin na opoku boatin katachie bonimhene mechia opi na adutumwa boama a also oba hema mechia opi mechia mia minua lawyer amodate mechia no pa mechia openi kese a also pesi wudi animu aye honorable Ken Agapong okukodufo mechia opi mi veteran ha miso mabomekra e o landing mem ho na metie matra ho free 88 ne dia yaso to form yenyini ne si yesu asa ya bobra ye tukwan so ye tukwan a ye to be call Holland ye driver ankasa ne se bia ye titi play mu ye hu niema wo nkrofo nkroso abanya ba ko ye hu bi mi hu Kwame Nkrumah kakra nti ne se metifi kochiri ne se bia mi swasa mi di ni sika ye hu military government abatwam Roaring Sabe bi waye ne de okọ ye hu professors buzia obaye free chocolate golden tree ne chema ye wo school me ka na me ka chiri mama mamfo hu se yes metifi kochiri mi swasa ye hu abai ni bi ti say Kufuor opani Kufuor by obeye ni die okọ yehu Atamils teacher ni onso beye ni die okọ yehu communication experts former president Mahama onso beye ni die okọ ene de otisue wo ye lawyer mu a mapa obeye ni die okọ obekokra ni sa sorry okono no si say aka ni fi ahe ohun de mechiro no akonya ni de ense ne to wo so keke obekọ ano no ya tu kwan ene ya tensem so a ewofie na wo tu kwan na umfa waso ntu efie ho susu a sebe na wakontuo no ejanjan efise abo bie ni ho wo stra ne takra emafom it is a Ghana ye yi a eyemaye yeso ye wabruchire obi krom ne edi pa ya tese opani bi so asori krom ha aye friend Kennedy opon Kennedy Japan ya asim dompe minister ya onso abidwa for side wo parliament papa yi kasa fani me pi ho sabido okano kasempa enso binum so chia no asem no na ye no ye de no kre ene ye adwuma ewa mo no ne fi se wo be kasem no wa ya betabroche ni be hwe osa obefemu ababi atunitirim no kruso ayete so no sabi wo mo abakọ nyina no wo mutu kwan ba ya brochiri hwan no se wosi ne bo se wo didi wa brochiri wo ko hu no e ba krum ha okohwe ne keke efo no obetra ha sa niko echi bonke bi eda ho onfa ho efise bi atwero no bi onam so koni fie no eyenti di aka no ebegu ogu ebeche a enchia papa yi meso na semu aka efiri se wo yetu ho ache nipa okasemo abawom okasemo nyansa wom se memi no mi enu ti hei ena se mo mi sika dame ho ena mate se me de ye cardiothoracic center awo 37 a ekeda no am yiri beja me eda na mebusu apani be paim ebe pome me nua no beta me efise me anyi sika na fa ma won na me de ye oman ajapade me ho hi ebi ni krom ha me ho be ye hi papa enso papa yi onye baako enyaye onye mienu enyaye ogusu ha woye ogusu ya woye oti ase ye di ni sika onya na bruchire ani do onya na omam ha etoto ho a obi anka he na obekura ni sika so okura sika wa ha na okura na amanoni a mu do he ne mfaso wo ba enka do onya na he nya obepia kogu abruchire papa do onya na bruchire do onya na ye krom haw odi nyina hye dwuma mo krom ha se me ne wo mienu benya bia yenti ne ye ja paadie akontu ahu hia akontu abinum tu kobo ba sibra akontu a hienti obi timi ja ne ba ho okwa o mabiem ke Libya
okay lande for Libya de no trust na menya de sisia
obi a okọ Libya no okofa nsuo so se okroso ade aba Europe na wako wuawre huwo abusuafo hu ni funu kra o bonsu afa no awe ne kwa odasani ya anka wo ne behwe na busua di entra ye ohia ene adwuma eni krom hanti ena masa akontuo no ba enti mesremu asremu asi ahene ene atu ahene fo mo ne sa primaries na ye beko no mo nhwe na mo fa yie ntu yie na enkwai eyeda tano tibidi bo free su tibidi said ye tie no enkwai eyeda tano tibidi bo free tibidi
okay
oti ase enti mesremu pi ani die mu ni ahobrasem papa yi odone man ena wokotu franka no John Ware George Ware wonye footballer
oh yeah
enti necessary John Ware George Ware okoye Liberian president and so oman no hu ni ye papa bi ewolumu na omo so oman to onwu anka se wo ye businessman wo man ka se wo ye just mere you know obi o ne na basabasa wo mu hu ni ye pa bi wo mu di oman no hye ne nsa ena ekoso
Tama Ntokwasi ye.
Yeah.
And on national team bo games, you know.
Yeah.
He was paying the winning bonus and paying allowances for the players.
Good.
And it tells you say, time my president when he was a leader.
Yes.
Trying to make sure be a that problem memo and where I give you good.
Honorable Ken. Honorable
Second can
good.
Ken is just an MP.
Ghana for car Lebanon. Omano kofa
Me say
no Ken kofa.
I know kobi kwa na video no here was say Ghana ni bia di kinya and the kind of problem that they are going to they need government intervention. Underline word government intervention. Omo ka sa asem ni wie no me come minister of foreign affairs omo no anya ho hwe then honorable Kennedy Agyapong I can say no ultimate international Ghana for my guabuchiri me this is a man who went into his coffers and picked money if you want kofo anya me asiro mo kromo mo abam sika mo ho tam what is obis one sika de ko e
sanity enti mesre say primaries na MPP for obekono mesre media district ni free Europe oba say me de mani ato form o me man me team wo UK me bebe ye me tu kwa ko Germany Hamburg me ko di be week ni kakra ansa na me free ho eba krum hanan mesre p say me de mani to form no ye ya enkrofo ye tu kwan o UK ye doso me wonamfo me oku amida no bi eku amida no Mighty Royals e wo London minim enipa kasa ye ka e de fa yewura Ken ho en some o mo kan nyina ye ba ko pe se yaso nsuo yaso ansa ye hu e bia mu duro sitie e bia mu hwa ye hu bi enti mo momodin ye mfanhye wons cancer ye de hye nsa ye nhwe nia omayi beye efise oyo obi a obi enwuma ogusu obi enwuma na se ye nya ye kokoo na ye de kwamone amanone na yakodane dane ani ni abeton ama ya aboarding din se ye wura yi se ondo de ye nyina no tomatoes ya ye dua mokwa ye dua bibia no ye be process ni ye mamu ha yi Ghana ebe ma wo adwuma ebe ma madwuma ye da ye beda ye nto wo tintintin fa ye fie ho akane die ni ye de to efie ho eye flower se de be ya obi be hu the beauty of the house ntino ye de flower ne to ho ene obi chese efie a wotim cross aye prisoner Jericho Fesu ene ye de afa ye ko ebe ma kro no akofom efise nwuma ba do okura dog chains nam ekwa ho miba wo hwe nkramam enipa egu abonten ya ye ton niam wo ye nsa ho areho na nkrasa shumachi
de ayem ya ne se o kan nkransa mu hwe kwabana titimi hye bayire e wo ne nsa so sei na odna bodwe a de aloke no no de na enti wo ye we nyina na se de obi antimi anto bayire bia
areho eti mesre pa so obi a wote saa no se wodi nwuma beba ade na momien so no nhwe kra
ni de enso hwe ni because wayama ye hu
se ebi achinyidie bi wo fa se wodi onipa na oba no wafa sebe na se bi wo sase nti wo mpe na sebe wo ho wafa ne kase bi wo kase wo mpe na sebe anso utimu ni wo akoma eda wanim no wonim se obetimi aye enso wo deny no wo deny se o ma no me e be ntra
abro
abro keke and show patriotism eti mesre pa jema memu amekọ ye Hamburg Ghana for ho pa e hososo minua wabọ no ho asafo no no wote ho eti mi kọtra afro shops sa no mka no na omo to dame na bi to ludu bi yesei omo se papa wodi no kura pa na woka mi hu NDC for a eye both Germany and UK a omo kase se ken ko aba dia omo beto aba na maken me na medi ho adanse krom ha se ya kyerem metu kwai de medi mani hu na medi ho adanse se motoma no a papa one touch if you say NDC for crap no NDC for pen eti mesrem pi se mesrem etu ahene ne asi ahene fo prime minister na mo beko no mo ma sika kom ne mo sika enya di nyina adida nso na ye deɛ ɔde adwuma bɛma ho no no ɔma wo ɔma wa de pa ɛnumu no wohia wo sika wo watwe wodro ana wakɔ bank wo use sika
That's right.
wo deɛ ma ɔmfa sika no ma na ɔnada wo sɛ ɔkɔtoma no wɔkyena kɔbɔ ne office pono asogyafoɔ gyina hɔ ne nkɔfoɔ abɔ ne ho bae form so abɛfeele wɔhwɛ da no kora wohu no wobɛsa akɔ kuro ɛde akɔbɔ bosia sa afa ka akɔ ɔba grassroot bɛyɛ ne campaign sɛ ɔpɛ wasɛm pɛ n'asɛm ɔpɛ so asɛm toma no na wɔde kuruaba anaasɛ wɔde $20 million ahyɛ wo nsɛm wobɛdi ama asa na sɛ wie a kɔ ne hɔ bi wɔte Jubilee House hɔ akɔ hɔ wobɛhu mo nkɔ akɔtɔbɔ da wɔkɔtɔ a ɔsi ahini wobɛkɔ akɔto sɛ obi asi ahini paa ɛwɔ hɔ a wɔayɛ ne nsa sei wɔde bɛkyew ɔmma ɔkɔ akora ma wohu papa so ɔte aseɛ ɛnti mesrɛ mo kan deɛ ɔyɛ free man ɔyɛ free man menim sɛ ɔte convoy mu kura ɛkɔ ne obi stop no a ɔbɛgyina ɔbɛka sɛ convoy no nyina na ɔnsɔfo saa problem no ansa na watoa so saa nnipa wei ne yɛhia no mesrɛ mo pii abusuafoɔ mesrɛ mo mewɔ me kotodwa nim srɛ mo momma wei ɛmpareɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛda hɔ turodoo na yɛyɛ yɛ ɔbrɛkyerɛ no yɛde yɛni na ɛhwɛ ɛfiri sɛ yɛnto aba ade baako a yɛyɛ ya koraa no ɛfiri sɛ MPP foɔ magu akɔntuom paa sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛ makwae sɛ yɛnto aba a ɛneɛ nka ɛbɛyɛ one party state megyina ha na meka sɛ nka ɛbɛyɛ one party state ɛho kɔm di yɛn yɛbrɛ pɛ sɛ yɛto aba sɛ bɛyɛ kwan bɛda hɔ sɛ yɛnto aba anaasɛ mo kora a moyɛ moto primary si yɛbɛto bi hɔ a nka bɛboa yɛn ɛfiri sɛ yɛma ni yɛkɔ batatuo yes yankɔ sɛ yɛkɔtena hɔ that's right obi man so obi man so ne yɛteɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛ fie mommoa yɛn ne yɛ ma ɛne yɛ nanam a yɛawɔ mu gu hɔ nyinaa no yɛtumi mmra fie ne yɛn nyinaa fa ɔdɔme bom ne yɛmmoa Ken na adwempa wɔ papa no tirim ne tirim pɔ ɛnyɛ bɔne ɛnwom bi wɔ hɔ saa mepɛ paa saa nwom no ne tirim pɔ nyɛ bɔne mesrɛ mo a momma nim sɛ yɛmfiri studio ha no owura obɛtake over anaasɛ in between no momma saa nwom no ma Ken ma me ne tirim pɔ nyɛ bɔne ma momfa no bɔne mesrɛ mo pii meda mo nyina ase
ɛgya sɛdeɛ na
meda ase no
yɛnwie sɛdeɛ na woka no ɔn sɛ honorable Ken sɛdeɛ woka sɛ tomatoes ne biribiara yɛsesa kɔ aburokyire ne kokoo na ɔma akɔyɛ ho adwuma no yɛsa ate sika akɔtɔ honorable Ken ne ɛkan sɛ cassava farms a wayɛ wɔ Atebu Amanten no ɔno atu bankye no wasi factory wɔ hɔ na wakɔyi starch no afirim na aborɔfo no abɛtɔ starch no afiri ha na ɔmo de akɔ bɛnso yɛ kokoo yi nyɛ Robin ne yɛde kɔ but ɛba cocoa beans ne ɛba okay saa nneɛma no no Ken sɛ ɔba na ɔbɛyɛ more na Ghanafoɔ ɛwɔ ahenhae papa meba o mame nkɔ
mpiti bia sɛ lawyer mo boa me ɛfiri yɛ nyini bɛtɔ cocoa board for afi bi ɔnkɔpa bosia bɛtɔ cocoa ɛnti yɛnyɛ adwuma ɛnya mfaso no baabi sɛ yɛ abɛtumi yɛ adwuma de yɛ ho afi bi cocoa board for kɔpa bosia
me resist issue no nipa na or respond catch them say syndicated loans na about 2% interest rate in tinams is it a way to argue ya to cocoa san ye to fast service ma empenyifo no yentimi save sika ye to cocoa si enya syndicated loan na yentimi to cocoa eh serious
dia mo kemeke bia ka ho se eba ye cocoa ya pi se wo abrochiri bi ba bi ti se UK and now bako baby to say Germany, Holland, Romania, ade. You ever say the best chocolate comes from Belgium? Yes, Belgium. You be cocoa. If you had the best chocolate in Europe, Belgium, Belgium made. Yeah. Just say yeah, rice near ton. So you're right. Because we have more. Sandy mo when you be creative jobs. Can show starch. Why that is one? Starch. Yeah, what you know, Amanten ho side a factory one. So what you say? It is an beba say. Moment can you cram mudia na ha no. Obi so betimi dey bibi foforo bi. so I say nansen bi kura na me WhatsApp so I say ko menkeni no kura no prostate cancer itimi yesei kodi na habai kodi ni sei ni ade e che ye makwai amasa nyema wonum nyina obi wo nim die no a guide ye kakra bi a ye bitia sesem amasa ye ho yare cancer mi nyini ye na mi nim cancer until say mi nyini ye na hu ye mi so me hu bi da se kokram ye do bia ko hospital ma cancer koku no ye twa ne nofo oba na ho ne ba ko de wa just no de offense yi silicon e na ahye ho no mi na mi hu bi da e mi wonwa ye penso ne ni ho sa etu he ye mpanifo no wo no a sabio wo mu nyini chei e de be ntira ne ni panyini nche konkomu nuane ene ade but ye ya hai raw organic no e boye ene mepi na odikanfu obi o ekukuru ni ti say ken so obeboa ye ya ye say for SOMPA kodo ewiase ye bu bebie say hwan ye chief for SOMPA kodo obi ni ho chief for SOMPA kodo so ti ase eti mesra busua ani fie sabi MPP no edaye nyina yakoma so mamu nye se adurumi so we na aduru so enya busua de ni edie MPP no eba mu bia na mo hwe de no kreda ni emfanto na wo enemy ye ho betoye
yedase call Facebook Strong Voice Network, Facebook Strong Voice Network, and answer SOMPA 93.1 FM. So, ne koja comment or back in kai at the amount. Was say I'm watching you live from the Cropon Government Hospital, Maternity Unit, Benedicta. Okay, Bene, yet I say we're sharing. Take call Facebook Strong Voice Network, and I say SOMPA TV, and I YouTube SOMPA TV. No call jaw message or I can kai mount. Papa last week, yes, I tell for say, 10 key point na o de buy no ya the videos ni audios ene niema e be shemu kina
right
are you ready enti ye jama
you
yanko papa
ajasafu mamone mpanifu nyina tnase mebo mabaso na masre radin shirade amamu
amen
mugina no korafa enti nyamode mu nsabe sumbia no onyame ma ne nyi mamu
amen
onyame ade a wuchire ni nkontompo na braba enti so obi ye no kwafo a na obi gina nafa na oni no gina nyame afa enti papa ne nti onyame nhira moda
amen papa
na no nkoma yedi ye no na efa yewura no ho sebe ya omanfo bi hunu sania ositie adum ayikura no ene ni nti a yemu bi no bokola nanso ya ginedi sese ya bie platform kese bi within 1 week e double up asofo ade wo hu jim na ehu
sa
anoje
national prayer
anoje
national prayer for
ende me hu
yes na ne enwanwan so ne se obi ni wa obi ne kotu obi fo so omrem chese bebi ade ni fifira eba no ano odeni e kira kuma pa o manfo
sa
na enkomodu no ayedi fan ho no meden son aba edi piso
ai don son
ai ni nti aginidi
na de
nti son no bete dachi
yes
abe enso bi o nso a eno nso fa wo bia wo dikan achi bia na yesese wo chene nso
okay
yes
ene sanso no ye be commence enso
obia wo biribia udi na chi a esese wo yo na me ma sha share that
okay
nti eno nso so nkomo na vei ye benya abotre nso aba won mu a wo mu pen kore
yeah
no mu pese wo mu gina nsam kitinkiti bi ahunhia so twist no eno nso ho asem ye beka hwe Matthew 28 asrafo bi kɔwen Yesu amu no sorry fra ufum they were the first people to witness the resurrection
okay
sikanti almost asem no hwe sika ensamoni a edi fritete na de panso ayezu fritete o ade bia sika sem di akotre no watch out enti omo koye no koba amane se wasori o yedi ani ehu no munyi sika na munni atro se ni ada na asuafo na bewi abodi nnoko twokonkunu se sankontompo no besi ne eda so ti Jufo adwenem And then me ba na me research ba ko me ye. Say o mo declare wa Israel. Say obi a wo Kristo ni a be kan sempa bia no be nya asem. Won be ya se kro. Ba bia ye se Kristo so mfiri no. Won ba bia du.
I don't put the another topic. Because enema be brain na ekoso a and say sansem ni nyina because ohwe Israel. Eni haba abo 456. By em fra Israel say abo say hom be ka time achiro.
So
say ni use 24 hours. Israel use 12 hours.
look at that.
Omon fa night no en can say day no because according to Bible no sanity. Now Bible and fact night no an can day no. But eni hide na ye wa. Say you say be from a Christopher no be free Israel.
So
enti papa yonko
enti wase atrodie no atena wo mo adwene mu besi ne. Enti trouble bia if you fail to respond to unnecessary criticisms it stick into the minds of people about you. Anya nsem ni nyina na obia benya ho adaje sense mu wankofo kan na mmiri pemu no ensem ni bi wasi atua boase ne yetase no bako. Ese nkofo pi adwen sisa me no mo kasa 1-on-1 group so no mo adwene change obufua na okeka nsem no awia no matombo ase de free ba bi abuafu akosie no na me kire wase ba enti wo mu nyina adwan ne ba enti obanyi sani okan no me de enson no bete edu na wo kan ye no na yentase no bako eni ehwe.
Okay, papa. Enti yensha se free one no.
Yensha. Okay. Na unim se medano ma mo no wo ho. Yo. Aha.
Okay, enti yen kanche for say ye was SOMPA 93.1 FM so kuma say SOMPA 93.8 Sunyane SOMPA TV. So yeah, live na your other affiliates so Oko Strong Voice Network at Facebook which make share live into all share no now subscribe Oko SOMPA TV on Facebook and as SOMPA TV on YouTube so all share now subscribe now share now with your comments so at the bar the begging come papa ensure say 3.1 no
ni edika ye di ho komo ni se owura no ni nti esese ye gi ne die no or ye consistent.
Okay,
in almost everything he said in the past.
Okay,
you can check.
And yanko point 1 no production team more ready a yamo point 1 you are you be share the ntia papa e cancer.
See your beji Ghana siho. Whether you like it or not, Ghana, for the youth of this country, I'll put my life on the line. Anything that is wrong in society, I will say it. See your beji Ghana siho. Whether you like it or not, Ghana, for the youth of this country, I'll put my life on the line. Anything that is wrong in society, I will say it.
Okay, assembly in 2020 on the 6 shows 92 TV. Now, sake of time, in 2007, you have a video view. And also the same thing. Say, no, about oil discovery. And I say, Ghana first. So we are foreigner. That's a what basawa be too good. Because of your boy 0.5 no say 0.4 na. Sa we no beba am Ghana for ehu. Enti papa. Enti ba ko so ka say ye ma no. Eno ye be use eno different. Sa ye hu bibia enti. Well, papa ye call a second point in this.
Good. Ye to so be unso no say. Ye hwe say gidia ye won woni mu no. Oyobia Otumi efa natural resources. Now, let me read it. He believes so much in how citizens can utilize the resources and abilities without the aid of advanced countries. And this will approve.
Production team, my ready. You're more 0.2.
To move this country, I want people who dream. 3 things that we have to keep. We need dreamers, we need thinkers, and we need doers. These 3 things. Our brother.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
If we really want to move this country, I want people who dream. 3 things that we have to keep. We need dreamers, we need thinkers, and we need doers. These 3 things. Our brother.
Thank you.
Papa, I answer 0.2 no.
Pepe. When ye 2007.
We 2007
na man na dwene mumpo se
Debbie.
Obey mampanyi.
Debbie.
Yes.
Debbie. Younger point 3.
Good. The Tosumi and Sansu, you see, Mr. Kennedy loves Ghana and is very passionate about the poor. This reflects in the charitable activities he does across the country, not only at Simfosu, but across the country. And it is very practical.
Production team, you're more at 3rd point.
It's gone a long way. It's gone a long way. Well done.
Thank you.
It's a really positive contribution by citizens. It's excellent. Well done. Getting, of course, all the cooperation from the military and from everybody doing this.
Yes.
It's good.
I think the promise 2020 is by 2021 next year, but a lot of things happen. Until the man delay by a fiasa started. The bomba is a problem beyond maybe, so that by end of the year, no, thank you. I've started buying the machines. You know, in Jersey I bought MRI machine, a brand new, about $1 million. We hope to finish by end of the year. Sebibia, Bonibia, and Trie, Bia, what they were. And him say, you bet me every penny. A contractor no the oyard delay no every May. Say, Bainfor say, say, okay, Ahuma, I was through. Na a ma, let's just say, Bibidim. 2021, and your market cracker crabby happening. Until the man is slow down. But they say, no, my start here, I will speed it up. The contractor no the Ukraine. Or the second man there or the edgeman. And I like the quality of work. I believe say me mahoki kano a question sure. He can even finish before December na me can.
Papa, video yawa inti yem production team yemra studio na yam twaso ha. We enye we nko a Ghana from go ka Lebanon. Ko fa mo bae. Kadu can say Confornochi COVID time. Regional hospitals nina honorable Ken at the hospital beds ne mattress. Every can say regional hospital organ PPE sanitizers crowd yenka. Papa also answer point 3.
And also answer Uncle DMI. Eno de uncountable. Womo suku sem adwuma sem eno de bubuja chese brochire fo nyina kura enya no mfa so.
Yes. Enti papa yanko point 4.
Aveni etoso 9 so ne say his honesty and loyalty in business and politics among the numerous politicians in Ghana is very unique. Odamfuya
production team yanko point 4.
Yeah. Ibrahim and etini aye jata cement. I think that when Ghana near me free me construction, I'm going to instruct them. They should all go and buy jata cement.
Wow.
Yes. Wow. Because we're Ghana more far politics than change. Let's also encourage, motivate Ghanaians who have big dreams. What do you say? Yeah. Why jata cement? For politics, so NDC, so MPP, so where Ghana, he's challenging himself. It's a lucrative business, but all cement factories are he's the first person or ton cement. Why I'm saying this, and say, yeah, Jew for a business. Lebanese for a business. India for a business. America for Americans a business. British a business. German a business. Ghana ni nkwa debian woni foreigners a business. We don't do business among ourselves. So I give him thumbs up. Let me twem wo me site. Na mu say truck bi e ben say e ben na ya chiro jata cement. He's a young man. I'm older than him. But he has done a good job. Yeah. What do you say? We should all patronize Ibrahim's cement, irrespective of the party affiliations who are in the new NA. Why? We should recognize his good works.
Tiamfa politics in China media cement because
That is how we can encourage ourselves and get this negative, horrible attitude aside. What do you say? Obi Owa, because of Ibrahim's position, and I knew we are president before, and now we take NDC and into Ukraine or Bompa Esenka Jata Cement, and succeed. Let's change our mindset. What do you say? Your mother basso for what he has done.
Yeah. Papa, we so answer point 4 no.
Perfect. Na me yidi se video no e kasama no ho. Na me de se adwumadie a wudie e kɔ Ghana tokro bia mu.
Yeah.
Na akankasa nso so ne de ye se be ya omanfo atiti ba bia beti ne amopesa mo kire na se. Na wonim MPP and it does so kase pa mo wa mo betimi dia breaking 8 ikuta papai Mesa kan ma kan bio o mo hye nso yankon de to so num no
papa answer no be ko de to so num no announcement bi ho nti atifo na hwefo se mo ready a se wasifie ana se wusifie o office o aduma bia o hia cleaning say BCC ho wasifie na wie mo penkofo mbe cleaning ana se company a mbe cleaning if you IBSC ho kama mama emre no enie je number yi na frɛ wo fra penifo ene obedi nkomo na nhyehyɛ bia ho no penifo no wae 0530 253 831 0530 253 851 0530 253 831 ofra je obi ha no penfo ene obekana oma besisi o ama kama open bosumi bia ombeba opese every day ombe clean ho ma won so a je obi a ho bia no ofra penfo ene obedi ehonkomo papa yanko 0.5
ne etoso num nso a edi hu nkomo no efa yewura Kennedy hu and say he is very courageous and bold to change what need to be changed in the system in order to move Ghana forward. And also home
production team already yanko 0.5
discovery. Is this perhaps going to provide us with some resources as a country?
Oil discovery, my brother. If it's going to be like the gold we have in this country, then I think it's a misblessing.
What is that supposed to mean?
A misblessing in the sense that then we are even better off not even discovering this oil.
How can you say that?
Yeah, I'm saying that because I want the government to negotiate well. We have gold in this country. Now we've sold everything to foreigners. I want the government to come. I challenge my own government. Let them come out and tell us openly if we are benefiting from gold in this country. And I will challenge them anytime, any day that we are not benefiting from gold in this country. Look at the rate at which they are degrading our lands in this country. And Parliament, I should be ashamed of myself that I also voted 3%. 3%.
That's the royalty. You're referring to the royalty.
Yeah, 3% to government. I am ashamed of myself, but I'm confident talking about it because I criticized it. How can the whole 230 parliamentarians will sit there and approve that whatever Newmont is going to do in this country, Ghana government is going to make 3%?
Is that the case?
My brother. And last year, they made about $340 million, and about 9.3 came to government. Do you think we need that in this country? Go and see what they are doing over there. The rate at which they are degrading our land for 9%.
But they say you don't have the equipment, you don't have the capital. What do you
My brother, if you don't have the equipment and you don't have the capital, you still have the natural resources that they need. So you have to bargain well. You see, my leaders or some ministers who come with another school of thought and tell you that, look, we are making, they pay taxes, this and that, corporate tax. If I declare that I made 20 million, then you're going to tax me on it. If I come and tell you 1 million, that's what you're going to tax me on it.
Or you can say you didn't make any money at all.
I didn't make money at all. So what are you telling me? Are you quantifying that? So now, I am saying the oil is a misblessing in the sense that I want my government to go out there and negotiate well. Although they are bringing the equipment, heavy duty equipment that are expensive, no doubt about it. But they should also back it. At least 35, 65. 35, 65 should not include taxes, corporate taxes. Our share. If they don't want it, they should leave it. At least we've been able to survive to date.
And then you sit on it.
Yeah, we sit on it. Yeah, but what difference does it make if we have gold here and we don't even have gold refinery here? We don't have diamond, nothing. So does it make a difference to you? When you go to South Africa, you see difference with their gold, what they've done. What have we done? They just took everything away. So all I'm saying is we have to negotiate well. I am praying. Anytime I see the director of petrol, I tell him, my brother, I'm praying for you. We need more oil. It will solve our problem. But it will solve our problem if and only if we bargain well for higher percentage.
A big part of this country's income comes from the gold mines that are here. As we sit.
The gold mining that you are talking of, we are talking of the net. What comes to government? Okay? I'll tell you. I'm not exaggerating. Go and call all the Ghanaian executives in Anglo Gold and see. Ask them. You are in the media. You have the means to cross-check. Go and check their positions now. So if you are going to negotiate and you tell me that they are going to create jobs for us, they bring expatriates. And the few expatriates, their income or salary is more than the total Ghanaian workers every month.
You think that's wrong?
It's wrong. It's wrong. That is why we are always at the mercy of foreigners to develop our place. I am not against foreigners coming in. We cannot develop everything on our own because our capital base is small. But at the same time, I am advising that we have to negotiate well. Wherever we go, look, if you go to Malaysia, if you go to Singapore, and they are arguing in terms of business,
so
you see that it's Malaysia first, and whoever is coming second.
So it's our people then.
Right.
It boils down to our people.
Yes.
We just don't do ourselves a good enough deal.
Exactly. And we have to be bold and go out there and negotiate well. At the same time, our attitude.
Papa,
I love these videos. No, because the videos you know him fan. I was like,
so they are making
the television all the time.
Oh, ni team sen ko be person be president ka videos bi okra na say nyeme bi wan ka no hye kras ne we.
Wow.
Ke kipi ni nyina.
We na no be because say onyame mre. And this papa we ni tinchema ka MPP for bebre nko mo popular by now. Ti omunya botre ho na ye we kire nya MPP for no. Ye bomba ye say omunya mistake. Papa so you be kura anka sabri nko ate no. So omuni mo vi say dom okura no so. Oh, and I didn't acquire say just a mo ye mo man ye dan no mai. And this anka ye ni hawo. O man na ye ready. Ye nim ne pe. Chi omu hwe bibi
Papa enko 0.6.
0.6 na no hwe. Meko ye branch back na metena se ape na me pastors no back no say no me abompa ya magana. Was it no? And some papa di tuye for da no Matias ye pa. Was he? Wakoye American lottery ewo Mr. Kennedy o. No ye lottery na the balance of $100. Papa yi ono no nti o odi free crime e diska no sesa no bre no komase.
Papa onim say American lottery no time na oye no na oja ho na okọ nti wabetua obi bia awie no obi obekọ interview anasa obekọ medical no na ko feli bi na oyare bi but obi obeka say who dey send me na mama o feli interview anasa medicals wanasa but o make sure say or find obi asika man.
Wonderful.
Yes,
be say testimony be pastor be your son walking in front of the congregation. We can't afford to lose such a man. He's not just ordinary politician. He's a unique man, I'm telling you. Okay, the doesn't see answer I do say Mr. Kennedy believes in creating jobs, opportunities for Ghanaian business people, rather than allowing foreigners to make huge money. So, of investment without even taxes.
Production
was kapudu on befeni na won't tax.
We no audio.
O chilisadi no kwa wompe.
Nti omo mo share SOMPA TV ni Facebook ni YouTube no. Onabo ni steel plant no. Eno no.
Yes.
Steel plant na we are nipa 1,000 and a
foul
in a day. We still plenty. And I also I tell you a mountain start factory we see oi and so nipa close to 1,000 because nipa more than 900 and a more. And to say they are all canon and also F all in a 0.6 no.
Of course. Oh, see, tie senia or kasa unso all passion say Ghana ni ese utumi first class citizen. E wonimu.
Yeah.
Enye ni mo canon anokwa wo.
So we know
and na one no make can say we consistent we just watch him.
The way so fall under 0.5 no.
That's right.
Until
wow. Sa ni pay ni ya kan ho asam no nti me be ya na bia no me ya mfa brofo samonka. You better from the tree. Chire mo manfo hunu sane ya Kennedy esiti say ye hia Kennedy for. Ye hia politician.
Okay.
Ye hia Kennedy for.
Okay.
Na ne ya hwehwe no ene ne ya huni. Ensa se man pay ho. Well, ye to so no. Ye can say he is very strong against corruption and injustice and is always prepared to fight against it.
Papa onim bibi. Sa 0.7 we yon. Ye bo wi a dey me dey say ye lawyer e wa ha say. Ye bo 0.7 ni wi a ye be jama lawyer. Ni ye bisa no nsem ba ku mi no bi. E wo 0.7 no. Production team are ready a ye mo 0.7 no.
صلاح انتظر انتظر كانت نفس السيارة احنا مغيرين من كده 3 ساعات هي انتظر يا اخي انتظر شو جنبت لك
He's angry.
Yeah, they are angry.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. I'll go with you to them. So you just sit here. Then you talk to him. You let him. And the president, you ask questions, and the president really help you. How much to the political party? You can speak generally. You've done this before.
Say, can you push a little bit? Sit here.
You'll be here. Where should I sit?
And switch off that light for me. Wait, will we make meeting here?
Yeah, you will make one here. Then you and him and Ahmed will come here. We'll make another meeting. This one will be short. But this is where you give money.
Money is here?
Money is there. You'll be saying things for you.
صلاح انتظر كانت نفس السيارة احنا مغيرين من كده 3 ساعات هي انتظر يا اخي انتظر شو جنبت لك
He's angry.
Yeah, they are angry.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. I'll go with you to them. So you just sit here. Then you talk to him. You let him. And the president, you ask questions, and the president really help you. How much to the political party? You can speak generally. You've done this before.
Say, can you push a little bit? Sit here.
You'll be here. Where should I sit?
And switch off that light for me. Wait, will we make meeting here?
Yeah, you will make one here. Then you and him and Ahmed will come here. We'll make another meeting. This one will be short. But this is where you give money.
Money is here?
Money is there.
we mo hwe Facebook ne YouTube ne SOMPA TV no Anas Aremia Anas video a so mo hwe nipa na okudum light no they no okasa ne Anas Aremia Anas ono ankasa no o video ni mu e na oka kire fake shake ne say adwuma na omo ye no political fight me say ka bedu one day no Kanas be president of Ghana obra ye nto no so aba because they are not audio mine no aircon sana na ekodu it took honorable Ken and papa we so falling under 0.7 nana
I say he's always prepared na on so da so ginem onyanto ho
dabi
Oh, one
of your videos
and what 10 years or my who don't you know?
Yes.
Consistently, he's still fighting against corruption.
With the young lawyer wa head lawyer, watch your video no. What team wins them? Say now over can.
Well, submitting here, dear. Not just more has any bear on be influence president.
Yeah.
No more capture no.
Yeah.
Nah, probably more using politically against it.
Yes.
And if you ask me to comment on the first thing I'll say will not be legal. I say we should thank God, say your president on your corrupt.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the usual political business in there, ukwa bruchina ko engage sheikhs ne ministers of political, it's about money.
Yeah.
They talk about money, how to enrich themselves and how to get probably contracts for Ghana. Now we will try as well. Exactly.
That man I'm funny, Honorable Ken. Good.
Honorable Ken. In fact, sir, I am monumental. Sir, video we I'm so keeping you now noise in we film. Because in the future we need it.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I've just been told say court when you see have it.
There you should court.
And it's a judge describing in those terms. I should agree.
Yeah.
Say judge was there to see the evidence.
Of course.
And as a point we no video we and some 0.8, 0.9, 0.10 into 8, 9, 10 no. Yem fa bibia sa video this particular video ni video say abonyina and sa 3 points na kan nyina.
Minim say what the ruling by the court of competent jurisdiction we say Anas is an extortionist 1 or you evil 2 or you terrorist. 3 adjectives evidence lawyer wa.
Yeah.
In terms of law you say 3 words we the mawa. You are even more than Satan. You are more than Satan.
Unim dia ebe ye ne say strong voice network ye be fato ye ho so. Sanas or ye videos ni we are or they call embassies ni nyina. Ye the judgment ni nyina ebe call every embassy e Ghana ha. I ohini bia ho ye the copy ebe call. Afi ye petition e da command I can't say attorney general say na judge no and as a court na kan dia
findings na court
for yes then na attorney general e betimi aye e wo ho ye nja ne sa o because judgment ne say or a criminal enti attorney general then no betimi ye be sa na ma nyina anya anhwa enti bia from next week no from next week no ye be say sa adwuma na say ye the ruling no be ko on hine wa Ghana bia ye de be ko.
And I think the document is a very important document for lawyers.
Yes.
Because the way a judge needs to true judgment, I'm sure it will stand the test.
No yeah, no they call embassies no so be go Ghana ni masinti. No they call omo nyina say omo nhwe ni go Ghana ni mase. And say court no ehun say na so ya. Yes,
the way a man Anas obtaining evidence. Apart from it being illegal, you can see the motive.
Clear.
So they start to can you prosecute the president while he's in office? So why was he looking for the president to commit himself?
Your video what
did I say?
Your video say President Kufuor Obonidin say or a smart or a smart guy or say a lawyer. Inti ono ni deal oye bibia or some sha say free baby kakran ti so mbenya
ye benya bia hwe say video
papa
mumi ye hwe bi
meba cancel fa shaibu ma cancel emetina sema me
mumi ye hwe bi
ma shaibu cancel emetina sema na enti papa yan call 0.8 9 10 na cancel fa
8 no so ye can say oye precise and on point. He does not pretend. He doesn't like repeat.
Yes, because like I said, Anas say no kafa Anas.
Mr. Kennedy, when it is white, it's white. It is blue. Simple as that.
Yes.
Near queer, you waste time. Now, you know, he respects the role of our traditional leaders and Ghanaian culture. Now, how far do you put the nekasa actually? And you never say no. When you obey him, the money aye.
And no, so or say Ghana money. And then FSA. In fact, the US president.
Yeah.
About Ghana.
Yes.
Now we can as president. On an income of no country near interpreting. And then FSA.
And I will
say so by president.
So if we have video no. And to two for a pese. Womo chia near Okano.
Yeah.
So anti brofo. Womo she brofo interview.
Oh.
They should watch it.
I know the
Papa.
They should watch it and see. Just have
they don't even say it.
Ya kase. Ya kase me bawo. And na me bo ni step yo e wo kamo. Or say sika kasa certificate should shut up.
Yeah.
Of course.
Or say sika kasa certificate should shut up.
Right.
Because baby sika ebe kono certificate enu ho.
Enu ho.
Ena omo kasa lawyer na din charge with em no. Enema honorable akanya videos here boy. Sa adwene bi woni tim.
But last one can way.
Papa Yanko.
I see him as one who believes in all inclusive government and is very practical in the way he does things.
Sir, no so jata yes.
Be say nano o te say pastor ti awokai. Say wa approach no. Eye no nwanwa.
Papa.
All inclusive government no. And I may add bibi to be say media mako nyina no. Say me kan me kasem say.
That's right.
NDC for say dia ka ha ne say MPP for no. E be yi papa yi. Omo yi bi bia. Omo to ma no. Na one touch.
Eye no crazy.
61% bunchuro. 61.
BC da.
Hwe.
Kievenda mosi.
Na
kievenda bibi fasi.
Na ne fie bi otrasa ko na kofo bi ba say on berenti.
Campaign nye de ne.
Entina yekusiesie ho. Ti cleaner na owo trasa ko ho no. Na ohwe if you no share honorable da. Enti one day no honorable buy. To ba no say mesasafo honorable kra me hu ni da o. Na mso wo ba. To honorable buy no share la cost bi.
Okay.
And on da costa. And ba da costa she suit. To no for say da costa na honorable no. Enti you no say mesasafo honorable sa honorable simple sa. Na mse ade. What's in the coat name if I'm saying you're not no 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 shirt la cost no also Mr. Safo one I'm say a friend Mustafa na say Mustafa on no shirt la cost no I say la cost no send me will be media cry first in India no we etre ono me say unni mo no abra bia wusia na ne car obe use no na be mo hu say o wiska ke ono ke ti am last time me kan wa koto so no can park Rolls Royce e wa bura ya toto ho
wow
sabi o TV ni radio so who ono because say na kwase ade Rolls Royce better bura ya toto lawyer me pa cho la kusi
mami adi way because time near side within the week I've had opportunity to interact with people na mahu say Kennedy support nyame na yichire yen nyame na ma etimano me a member of Full Gospel Businessmen Fellowship International you meeting me now I think some of them have been monitoring me now me call here meeting will be everybody was happy that I've taken that course will be some ta yechi yanyire ho de beba bia me support ehia mo ayemra and then me share MPP funds original for no be including chairman and after the conversation I was so confident said this is a done deal. It is a done deal. Who are to be moso? Because the omotiti no, omo hu say ade na dane. Omo hu say adane. Ena omunim say ampa obetimi so ayo. Enti afutu kakra bi ko ebaaye. Me da shem botum. Ye bedi hu juma, but me jiri say we are on course and we are calling upon the delegates to support us. Say near at the end of the day no, ye betimi nya na sele no. Na yetimi ato na sa election we dey one time ye mre campaign nya dene because se ne ya yetu ehun ama obi amfre yen ye di mi ka ban sa nipa bebre nsu te ho a on be so mu tu ho esi ho na mo boa na Kennedy be president and the delegates da bia hia yesre mo ye say mamu ni ehwemo na opportunity ye mesi this another generation and ye benya personality say and me ye mesi kura na me gidi say se pese Ghana sesande a so focus say enema o kan ye nyina quality ye hwe nyina ono ayebi amongst those competing one on his own why be osi yen for the adwuma onso nya adwuma bia no bia fa bi wo de wano this is a man who has done it yes remo se ne de bia ye kan ye nya aka kosi sem beto ama no mommodina na montoma honorable Kennedy akompre ko Japan now he's the man of the moment. In fact, I've listened to people who have spiritual abilities and so virtually every vision and every saying is in support. And it's not only the physical that is supporting Kennedy. Even Susan Yasekurano or support. It means that this period is his. Mama mi for sika. Any enemy should say when a year wenti, ni any mistake. Let's vote for Kennedy, and Ghana will change.
Lawyer Medasi, lawyer Kwaku Amonda Tewa, Hono Kasama, Honorable Ken. Inti anybody nkomo cry about a nice video na show you know. But answer no Frederick upon Puda or say okay or say lawyer na ne kana say odin dina banti.
Asofo no e di message abase wonu mo srewo a bode wuro se platform no omu hia asofo a omu nyante no. Okay. Inti number na ye di tutwa na
okay. Inti ebe sorry ana mama on the number no atibia na asofo no
message.
Okay, enko Facebook kaka message kakra. Sibon Sobin or say our next administration should be led by Honorable Ken. He's an industrious leader. Okay, yeah, that's it. Veradobu or say victory is coming. The signs are on the wall. Ken 2024. Yeah, that's Nana Kusi or say Honorable Ken Agyapongi is the best candidate for NPP. Yeah, that's Stephen Boating. I see most of the delegates are thinking Ken is gonna back down in the last minute. I know there will be OS I will dreamy and maybe I will debancha danka Sabina as also no die and no and quite the emfanya juma. Anas Fufu or say Ken for president. Yeah, that's George Dankwa or say Ken for president all the way. Okay, George Dankwa be say Mr. Safu, please I need your contact. Mine is okay, order number. I'm okay. We are the no bekasa. Fliza or say Eliaza Yao or Kansi or say the underdog Honorable Ken or Hene Japan is coming like Kakai or say fire. I love this man to the bone. Okay, that's it. George Dankwa be must say I'm okay. George Dankwa already a message no. Felix Opong or say Ghana needs an intelligent leader like Honorable Kennedy Kwame or Hene Japan. Caliber okay or Koyam message nyakle. Was Frederick okay okay yeah, lawyer what na say 2 minutes
yes,
give me a phone line
okay me that's me cry no na
now aye and then now you Joseph
minua wa ha anti number some de man to video no mu kakra
yeah
sa video na o boy no
yeah
and no the sequel by no more prepare omo for evidence na near any KOA4 ya na chere ekwan anas any the team on person omo prepare na omo entrap the Ivorian prime minister any another dankwa Akufo-Addo what you say and no omo sa preparation we no say o kan say a political fight and the judge ni busa say political fight no na of fighting in our sub-region na what you say enti de na ema asem no nyina aye hu ni say unso omo dada Ghana for so omo ko han shake fake unse
fake shake
shake bia omo ko han no unse mrem susu no your misrepresentation so obomo obi aye say me yewe na menye we eno kra na eviciate bibia I say bibia from the beginning but omo ko han no so omeye no say we shake na ombe interview kwesi nyantachi unse kwesi nyantachi say met me no ma president ho omo ko pedie and the political fight no kan na eye ni bresem in so wo hwe ya judge ni ruling no I mean defense judgment no or say na I so dangerous to say so mo buy and on be ye bibi against the president of the Republic of Ghana. Now president of the Republic of Ghana no or na why the soul and spirit of this country.
That's right.
Ghana nyina ye sunsum ni ye bibia ehye ye president ni mu. Commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the head of state, ena on na bibia ejira no so. And the sankomo buy no be twe ne hwe fom a. Nanka 7 December ya Ghana for akodi line so akoyi obia omo wo gidie wo mu se omedi anim no ma Ghana emmo ne bra no na anas ode ne nkrofo abegu sa aban no
animu ase
na danko Akufo-Addo animu ase enunti no ohun se a friend say akompreko was save the country was save Ghana nyina sir who watches the watchman yeah aye KOA1 who watches the watchman as save Ghana for nyina number 2 as save the MPP party if he say President Kufuor oduna oye president ohwe Ghana for but MPP government no anything here the man by the president and he say anase ne nkrofo etimi edifin ekanwa ekan the presidency or the fear ka Ghana or the fear ka MPP aban no and was save families na judges bi awu ebirma nyayare immigration for customs and say what to mu ade okoye no galam say ebia ense bebrebe aba and one say the sentinel who say obi interview no or see the victory no nya no victory the victory for Ghana the victory for the party was say in the moment say or see obey party say he has actually saved the party of course sure saved the nation from shame
he has always saved the party
yes and the man ye who ba ku bio no say judge no busa question be council or say also the of the terrorists and say or say yenhwe and that question was a patriotic question
okay
say CNN ni ben journalist ben or yaduma CNN and now journalist ben na yaduma BBC ya onu be ko White House say okofa konkolai bi kwan bi so akoda akogu American president ehufin journalist ben yaduma CNN obeyesa or say out of nothing or you see there was out of nothing say obeko say okotite American president na wo gu no hufi or say ebin sida ebin si BBC da nanso or say anas na obi e fan insatiable taste for power I'm quoting from the judgment insatiable taste for power just a person onya power bi onya tumi bi and indeed no onya sa tumi no
missing ko be president our bra yen to no so aba
where on earth and am go try judge anim now they katankantan akata wanim that was very disrespecting
me dey ehumi enye
be dey ehumi enye ye yes and dey emre musu enim say wo cross as ami obi ada wo dia dance here I was so a depend on the also a nipa or a human being. Now human being Benny at the kanta name. And the question is was he a human being? But he allowed Saduma way a man also and the Yenan Kasa we created a monster. But it took a bold man.
That's right.
Obiani Kuku told himself about for any idea, you need to the yes. I not be Kennedy Japan.
Yes,
you are hero.
Yes,
what I say, yes, celebrating. So this man told us, I can see further than you can. And look at this. You win the boy.
And no correct. And I wouldn't say you create monster number 1.
True.
And I collaborate here movie beneath the head of Medusa. But no be it took Kennedy to cut off the head of Medusa.
Papa.
I'm an Ghana for and then asubie aba. Oh, they never pay all your na papa. Say Obia Opesa will bring it down. The presidency. And judge and say, oh, sir, fake shake, or can be in the judgment. Fake shake, they say, sir, nothing in Crawford but Dubai. Sika or the good backs in Baron, no Ghana for moon. And a judge and they say, Anas or your lawyer, number 1. Number 2, or say journalist. Now, when we say these two professions, and breedy dollars and musica. Na he fa no nya ne sika free. And no judge no busa say either say obi and na sponsored or Ghana ha. And then say external bibi and na everyone say onye sa no manuma we na on treat Ghana away from. Na areho sem ne say hwe
e true so
akosi nyantachi. Yen hwe ba bia na nka oduru. E wo football mu. Nanka the image, Ghana image, the blaster of hope. Yeah, you know, because Ghana and the gateway to Africa. Ghana, they say when it comes to football, Ghana, you know, the person that you call ya and build the Ghana brand in the Kwano, watch him look enough. And super pay share a dear or the agent.
Abro.
After the ye tape no court. A nipado won't say Adas Wamba or the lawful attorney in the bar. Ye tape no court in Busan and said, now, you Busan attorney say, where are you? Or say, and your nas. we see a nas and that inconsistency we say a nas we say a nas but you also say defamation the most important say 4 factors no I say we have to have a reference to a person say bia appear kofi na make kan ho say and the honan career judge no obetumi atwam to say o apply don't say apply say o mo twa case ni mu if you say it should be in persona I was say ono you refer to anas in here but o use innuendo ni say fair say akutia and then when was akutia so ni wura and to o hwe mu someone e cost ni akutia was okay fine and now something they refer to him no but or the evidence be by KO1 what you say and 2 and 4 ni nyina ma ehu say and someone honorable kind no na a fair comment
that's right
and 2 so no ultimate justify no ahun akonya say o kan justification if you say ultimate prove all the facts with evidence and say na papa the first side was or using the same words what did describe Anas and no say Anas is a criminal if it's a oje bribe or some give you bribe so we share KOA4 no more baby okoje 10 or $100,000 yes and also maybe $5,000 and baby go to $75,000 to influence a said prosecutor
yeah
and my case be na justice quest etiso no o say so tie o say and na ye basa and the person na Ghana for you need I say Goliath obejina be person
and na oma oje $5,000 free omo hono kra no ibi okoma for man can prosecution no kra
sa
yen tini we anse ya phone lines ne so audio bi de abe posti audio bi through enkophobia omo no omo atoto mani awe omo mo bra bi ada say honorable Ken edidi lawyer tem or court
I was explain
yes intimi patch Sameda Akon
I was explain
Sameda Akon na lawyer we dey person okay
say beginning you know not special prosecutor
4 minutes ni emfa
and yeah Anas friend is lawyer that time case ni ba ya court yen ko twa yani a Sameda Akon ya o ya adwuma ema special prosecutor no wa ba oka council na
over represent
over Anas ho obi a o ya adwuma the state
how possible
and the question say in what capacity
are you here
then oba so wanye din o na oto ayampia odidi honorable Akompre kwatem
courtroom
can you imagine odidi honorable Akompre kwatem na a man for expect say obi a all standing for the truth yeah also for can say ojihoma no kre obi ojihoma no kre bia na wo nyame afa
that's right
all standing for the truth you know no say what evidence what show to the court is the responsibility of the judge so be evidence no make judgment and determination you know na wo jona to ayampia meanwhile we had one special prosecutor you did the ordinary man's
unethical conduct
very unethical
wrong
yeah you did taxpayers money to tuawoka no one say ba kasa ama a private organization and also all to honor by yampia ti na mo pese onu nyina ho na ho hwani din it will that one it will never happen
to be a good president where are some
it will never happen and I mean one honorable is fighting a good cause yeah onim
of course
and he's been vindicated by the judgment
and the judgment so say the lawyer would know it was well written judgment and I'm for say na offense judge na emotions bi wo but then na orbiter then na mboguo
and then most say emotional was derived from the evidence before him he was there and he saw the tapes
right
why shouldn't he be emotional
and the Pokwa honor Pokwa Jima can be or synchro say your friend say all back court no or the you know buy kwasi janta buy na Opokwa Jima say
na ehone football
Opokwa Jima say say na omu kaka no eye wiase moguo eye obita but we dey wiase embogo
say Kennedy dey buy
say ko dey because you're interested of course because the fan who his name has been mentioned in the tape
that's right
what ya mo good who fee
it doesn't
no president that you em fa won call say what defame
now mo do me say the basis for the action kwamentiase o wa wo na ma wo say nkrofo wo so obi aka ho na wo anya audacity na ko gina court
but you know what
say
if a judgment and a judge and I mean more judge credit the judgment say somebody is a criminal na say you maybe aba kan nyina a criminal offenses and go say about this time no
special prosecutor Africa no
Because why would a criminal be walking on the streets of this country? Why would a criminal be walking on the streets of this country?
Wait, direct to special prosecutor. Yohana, ija Gabion say just so MC. Yeah, nominate no say. Oh no, beka say okoto eka okotueska e man kofo. Na o man to man to okwagine sika. Asem on any court.
Now when him body prosecutors are case. Good. Lawyers from Accra ba prosecution was against every day.
Wait. Wabra court. Kasa na say criminal. Me say be petition. Me say
no,
but omunya
should be serious.
Emfa course kaka.
Comments now almost after the decision. I didn't know Sanas a good lawyer. I didn't call for a year. I didn't know call for appeal. Appeal so go for appeal say why does it there's an error of law.
Oh na say appeal there the prepare any answer kwa. Judgment wey there wo go appeal go there.
Young call phone line. 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 in chess honorable Ken I just grassroots imreni and among some who if I and Rajesi now Inyaki William the Bobon and Neshamino menya comments be brave Inyaki Midas honorable Ken no it's grassroots imreni but you didn't be but you didn't be
Daniel Mikasa
Master Daniel Yankasa
okay Mamo Abasuna Ajumapa Moye na Yankasa SMPP delegate no they do so more to abana omungo hebia omungo retun kese ne borofo ye tenu oba wiki ni be control nyoma amoma ne na yi yomi na nkonko to abam mo abuki de Japan na for yen support no yen to abapa man na ye ne papa mo na yi ya president o kan you no kan no ye no president said ya the new president over baba ye nema a senior president bit never to near my unity. There is near from Domunko Swab more of Meda.
Yes, sir, Darcy. Honorable Kanye.
Grassroots Mania.
George.
One,
Macho.
The Mamonia Juma.
Yanko
Pardon Boko, Monfantamin and Baby Amakudina, Jimmy, who baby,
and Yashi.
Na, Member Basso. Na, lawyer baby a lawyer de ACN na mpese me fa free work akra bi na me bonitew on se o hwe anas na djuma kane na wo ya na wo te se ye an titi ye kra se oni makoko no
sa
on se okofa akoko no ba fi a obu ni mu dwadwadwa pani dwane akola dwane nanso sa akoko no kro ya nyame pese ogu nanim ase a no amana nyina no adane asomrodwe nso so de enkola kra nso omutimi bu ni nine na ewa achire no de prior shame no mo bo nyum asumroju ewu ni ewu usi ewu na asumroju isusa no de ni di agro etimi be ba akwa amaye ne se nyankopon pese ogu akokona ni mase a no ama na nyina adane asumroju ebi na si ye na asesa ase ni nyina enim se o ye hero ekọ na afede onya anwa se honorable Kennedy akoka na se no no pa sebi wode ntro ne konkonai akoto kwesi nyantachi so no nyantachi amfa na nkokoto onu mo mate bi onu abona okwo amagana no e de na kogina court enyankopon se an Kennedy na ya akokono na obi asuro na ne me pese wo ya asomrodwe nti na me de wakodu ho no e no akogina anim guase nti e ma onu Kennedy ohene Japan moni adwuma na yemu bi de ye be di na chia akozizo ba be Ghana mampani ohene moni nyamenya adwuma
nso ne nyamentina honorable Kanye
that's it me
but you didn't be akasa free
I finish that make us say asankega
Masa Chadra Kenkasa.
I'm say MPP mum dey ya lucky pa because your options if you are no honorable Ken eja na so any other contestants are na aka and MPP mum dey gina yi pa na mum ni pobeti ya boa yen pa no any honorable Ken and just delegate no e nya na to abande anka honorable Ken any problem na mum say say delegate nkwan na ekoto nche to slow so on party ye mu dia and honorable Kanimra, then Amadia and any that should be any hobby. Let's see, I'm not business about. I'm not the first admin for court. You know, charging Mukacho Nabu can send me 50 canoes so empower when your mammy. Now, I know what I'm saying. I'm a subject or so okay. I'm not sick on when your mammy.
Yeah, that's it. Honorable Kanye. Was grassroots Imreni and I get you far down from
grassroots Imreni.
But everyone say. Mohammed Yankaza.
Yeah, me better can say. Can I Japan there? Oh, you have to present to the but me cut time be on money and kata. And send you on my young and you have
Maza. Bisa pay master no say he no kujina kaze kuja mo we sabio mo bedina radio so san kwase asem no ye be say ye bete kra anti bisa master say o pay master no ka kire no say he no na boko kaze u shi agbeni anase bi fa babo bi atim aya mo fa mo jimi sem no van free honorable Kenny
gracious to lady
but odin be aka say free
but free me duma
maza yengasa
but honorable Kennedy you know ni be ya be akla wa ya mo ma no wa ye bi any also youth any also in ye surgery business or monto about man it's either say you come honorable Ken and also NPP the position you see any so say anto abana mo honorable Ken dia and ye get the man NPP pa
yeah that's it honorable Kenny
hello
honorable Kenny but you be aka say free
about because we ma so na free we go go ampon
maza bombo yengasa
pato kanje phone wa yipa right na so mi go dey go pressure ji ana omudi mpeg ma ma do net phone na ga so kanje phone na da so kanje phone ma e o ji ho so kanje phone ta na da so no eh kanje phone ya di o de phone de obi antuma no o me present right
yeah that's it yeah that's it honorable Kenny but you didn't be aka say free but was it everyone say Amankwa Yankaza
supporters that had one on it. Tell me that now the American the mercy. The American fellow delegates present more behind the mistake better than the American. If you wouldn't want so you are the one that I'm more free, then you get registered. I keep saying this, I will be more behind sharp money to before. See, I will get cancer. Then there's a motive to tell you that I'm my yes, I'm going to tell you, never papa no kire. That has from the chairman Saturday that the judicial culture center. That's it.
Yes, yeah, that's it. You have a last caller. Now you ready messages kakra. Na ede esiwa. Honorable Kenny.
Grassroots ni.
But you didn't be aka say free.
Say feminine na say me ka free take.
Anana say yankasa.
But the American say a fed up rate than now the neighbor of near government. It will be a business to come over to run Ghana as a business. See, a slave delegate to say, yes, sir, when one man could give it to Kuntina to be a normal Kotuma will be a 1 cent, but that's obey MPP flag bearer be out. Yes, I agree grassroots to the end to Abano. Mrs. I fed up Samuel Kotua baby, but or Henry Kennedy, it's a poor bank one idea, baby will be a bit near the Twaman. See, yes, sir, ye probi obeti magiri tinesi wasamre your government sector in impedi mu si ayede nti ye fremu delegate mamun ko ji sika na munyi do sefata do nyamba ba mu wo fanipa over be 8,000 oni na sefata so di mampani oni na ni youth how ye kasa on employment on na tiasi nti ye fremu delegate MPP delegate mamun mai ye re enho mu ye damase.
Yes, yeah, that's it. A charity for us, we NPP delegate. Next, our person on near Kasa. And now, person with T. Kubia, we be out the support on our canal. Fraser 278 88 88 68 0278 88 88 68. Ofra, Mpanifo, and no Ebekasa. Honorable Kenny.
But so grassroots to Mirini.
Mazadan.
Yes, I sabu.
Kanita una yanko.
Mami kaniti amse brano ko 90 ngura muntem. Akwaya wi na no sa pepepe. Go babo kurase bua okwasua bua no ayi ene nkwase asem so ayeso obebu no se wo nyansafo. Tinya no na ade ma no na no ano no. Masa ehin fa na kan ko kan se yemfa ba mo anwonafo. Kan won kan bibia. Oti ase kan bibia
oba ne construction site a oba ne construction site a omo mo nyina ye agbefo baby enyo na even na tu ne yire oni agbeni ente oni agbefoma sam kwasa asem no mazadan yenko
tanya atwum na ya na MPP fo bi ye efiri ye mpanyifo so besi binum so no sa asem ye NDC ni na kan ya kwam bi on be fa so on be defend ko be defend no eno kura de asem no na abokan twese ye sisi nipa odododio no ono wajan constituency ase central no waba se wo be ko ama party no na mo na se wo ko kan se sa na mo ya de amoto mo ma nipa bi register wo so wo se ye mfa ba mo asa nya de ehia ni o candidate na wo se wo ba ama adwuma ba no mo kan kire ne se adwuma sen no wabie masa eduru ba bi na sa ensem se no no ba ye betietie asufim na ye de akosensu papa because honorable kan what one mo no MPP ne hu hia NDC mu a nke metima ka ajo se dura no pakro mbe buzu amana adware na MPP fa na ye nya atwom sa papa we adwuma wabie 6 kwa me nkroma peso why nipa ben watima tin botom sika e de si dan kese se de magana fo
mazadan
yes sir
nyame adma next week me here studio
sa memra studio
number next week me here studio
ati na me obebre kan ma me nchia me papa sofo kaje se me jini tum na no ya kusin so nyame nka no opepa o manya de support kan no o mu nkoso dan mu se nkunim de beba amen
yonko Ike we did 1 minute
okay dedi kan mechia atie for nyankopon show bibia se ne ye ton onabo Kennedy akopre ko Japan bisan so na right candidate or say MPP for delegates fu nyina twa omani ekohwe no ma menchia mere so na menchia bibi Kennedy last week
wala ntidi no oh okay unim number next week abedi pa akora no ne papa yi hu komo o say osun dae number next week let kan dae no bi BAC bia no ana honorable so baby boy and you know see baby Kennedy
baby
Kennedy o de
2024
ni send him back 2024 the first name here Ken na ni send him back 2024
my men share my wife for ya dey go say umuze be me be Kennedy man no ba papa ta na chi ya ma me free Yankopon share susa na wo so free
okay
Yankopon share na men share friends of Honorable Kennedy Japan nyina the whole Ghana na wiase nyina New York for Yankopon shiramo na Holland Amsterdam ya Yankopon shiramo na UK for so Yankopon shiramo na the delegates na matati ekuakuo ni nyina be kwai Savannah region Womfie Doma Koforidua na sa Mankranso ya munyina Yankopon shiramo munkoso na momo adwuma na mo adesede amode ato ye nem nyina friends of Honorable Kennedy Japan ye beba ba bibia munkoso mo adwuma na
news time also
Yankopon shiramo
yes Ransford sofu penyu Ransford jumping
okay
sa wosundaye emrebi second year president and osuma obi so onko ka je se onhwe ne braye na president no oka hu bedibi
yedase time emre na so Foster Asare Isaac Owusu Frank Owusu Ado Jojo Pukwamponsa Shaibu Lasisi yedawase Officer Joe yedawase me producer DJ Rocky Darling yedawase pa Buffalo yedawase Dr. Silas yedawase Buzi yedawase Ibrahima salute yedawase ena David Dollar or MCL yedawase pa yese mo chinchin fidie no fruma na fe so e number no emfanto dwabiom opesa wo ye ofie opesa be clean o be cc wadwuma ba bia ma wa 0530253831 0530253831 ofra e be cc o kama e dia ma musumfo ohine kofisa fo nyame adoma adasene e be hia.
This is the man